Hello everyone and welcome to my learning channel. In today's video we go little more advanced and we're gonna learn how to easy build a website online and the easiest way to create your own blog or online website if you are new at creating website with no knowledge required. You can create it with a very strong, cheap or free. You have options for free, uh, easy and website, your first website. You can make a store if you want, but we're gonna talk about this later. So let's get into this. The builder we're gonna use is Weebly. It's very easy to use, trust me, it's very powerful. I have a lot of websites created with Weebly. All of them I have them for free and it doesn't bother me. The only thing you're gonna have for the free version is gonna be written on the bottom of your website. If you scroll Weebly like this, like you see on this one here, up like this, you're gonna see on your website, but all your website is gonna be normal. I don't know how to say it. It's gonna be with not showing to visitors that is built with an online free builder. You always have the options. Let's see the pricing. You have 4 pricing plans. The first one that I'm using and I always use, maybe I paid sometimes, I don't know, for promotions, it's free. Monthly, yearly, key features, it's free. You have personal account, €9 monthly, or if you're gonna pay for a year, you're gonna pay only $6 monthly, sorry. Professional plan, 16 if you pay monthly, 12 if you buy for an entire year. Performance, the most expensive, 29, and 26 if you're gonna buy for an entire year. You have some features here, but I'm telling you for free. Let's go ahead. You go to weebly.com, sign up or create your website. I already have an account. I'm gonna cut here, create an account and go back, start the video after you register it. Alright, so after you create account, you're gonna go to this page. What kind of website would you like to create? You have 2 options. I just need a website, or I need a website with an online store. We're not gonna make it an online store today because it's a little longer and you need to have some knowledge of how to build a website before. And we're gonna just click I just need a website. I haven't used Weebly. I'm telling you, I haven't used Weebly since I created my websites. I have 3 active websites in this moment, but they were built years ago, 3, 7 and 9 years ago. Since then I'm using it. After you started, according to what you're gonna use on your website, you have many themes to select from. All of them are free. Let's just pick one. Financial freedom. I want to make something. Let's do together a website for our channel to see how I'm doing it. The right way to create a learning channel. Financial freedom. This looks very nice. You have a menu up here. Find out more. Okay, I think I like this one. Yes, let's pick this one. I picked this one. And you have the menu here. You're gonna have it. Home, services, theme, contact. You can remove items from it. Find out more if you want to take visitors to another page. Like this is gonna look your website with numbers, visitors, about us, and at the bottom, what I was telling you, if you are using the free version, you're gonna have product proudly powered by Weebly. This is something, if bothers you, you can pay $6 per month and you get rid of this, but for me it doesn't bother me. I'm glad I'm using their free online builder. So let's start editing. When you press start editing, it's gonna ask you select your domain name. I'm gonna put it Technology Estate. Let's press search, and you have technologyestate.com, but you have to end down subdomain technologyestate.weebly.com. It's gonna be completely free. I don't care, because my visitors, I'm sure they don't care the address of the page. Subdomain setup complete. Press done when you're done. Alright, so we are on my website. Title, build, we have pages, home page, services, theme, and contact. This one, theme, I don't need it. Hide in navigation, and I can delete it. I'm actually gonna delete it. I'm gonna need only home, services. I'm gonna rename it. It's gonna be daily update. I'm gonna name this page. Go back. So we have homepage, daily update, and contact, get in touch, map. Okay, go back to homepage, and now let's create the homepage of our website. My website, I need a logo. Let's see if I have images in my computer for a logo. I think I'm gonna have on images. Here I have all kind of what I'm doing, and I must have a Technology Estate right here. Oh, very nice. Alright, we have the logo. You must have some things ready when you're gonna start to build your website, but I'm showing you how easy it is to build it very fast, and how easy it is to use everything they offer you for free. Okay, so we are on this. I want to change financial freedom. We are not financial freedom. We are easy learning tutorials. Let your advisor help you reach the goals you have. We can leave this, find out more, and it's gonna take you, if you press on find out more, button text, position link is gonna take you to website URL. I'm gonna put my channel, of course. We're gonna put our channel. Alright, we are taking the channel link, copy, and we're gonna put it on this button. Paste. Find out more. Let's publish our website and see for the first time how it will look. You go to open your website link in a new page. We're closing this, and this is how Technology Estate is looking for the first time. I don't have yet a page here, but I'm gonna find out more, and it's taking to my channel. Alright, now let's create an image here. Edit bar, replace, header layout, no, cancel, edit background, replace. Alright, let's upload a photo from my computer, and let's put a provisory picture. I'm gonna use the one I'm using on my channel to see how it's gonna be. I think we need something else to work here. Cancel. Let's see, because I saw edit background, replace, edit background, replace. my computer. No, from my computer. They have some backgrounds they offer from here. Let's see if we have something related to technology. Let's just put any nice picture. For example, look this one. All right, now we're gonna pick save. All right, we're gonna make this again white because I like it the way it looks like. Advanced colors, I think. Yes, I have advanced colors. I'm gonna make it white like this, and it's easy learning tutorials. Let's make this little bigger. Other color, yellow. Nice, not very visible, but let's publish it. When you finish, you publish it and you can see how your website looks like. Let's refresh it. Look, technology estate, easy learning tutorials. Now what you can do next, you can edit all those texts here, link for the buttons, images, everything. You can customize it the way you want. And I'm gonna use daily update to post my daily videos. We're gonna work on this one now. The other is not important. We go to pages. We go to the pages. You have those three pages: home, daily update, and contact. We're gonna go to daily update, and I'm gonna delete it because it's a normal page. And pages, you add on this plus, and it's gonna ask you standard page or blog page, category page. You add a blog page. It's gonna be daily update. Daily update, yes. You're gonna put it daily update. I'm gonna put it before contact. Let's see, daily update. Let's go to pages, done. And I want to put it up after, between home and contact. I just drag and put it here, and you have now home, daily update, and contact. We go to let's see, daily. Let's write here daily as well. Daily update, where I'm gonna put videos every day. Okay, just unclick it. Author something. Okay. Alright, now we created a blog page. We have the home page. You learn how to change images and everything. This is the home page. We have the daily update page. And after, very easy to edit, contact page. On contact page you can put a contact form. Let's go to build and let's put a contact form. You just drag it and put it somewhere, wherever you want in page, and you're gonna have, click here to edit, name, visitor's name, visitor's email, and comment. And you have option to set the settings for your options. Here you just click on it, form options, and you put on form options. You have here option to put your email, so the visitor can send you comments straight to your email, so you can have contact with your customers. Map, if you want, you remove it. So we go to blog page. We have home page, daily update, the blog page, and on blog page, new post. You're gonna put a new post on your daily update. Post title. Let's check my last name, my last video. You see on my last video, stop. I'm gonna copy from here the name of the video. Up. Let's see if I can copy like this. Control copy. Put it on the blog, not on the website, on the blog. Paste. How to download movies and games on internet. How to download everything. Okay, text here. We're gonna put text. We're gonna write something random. Let's put the description of the video. Show more. Control copy. I'm gonna put it here. Control V. I can put an image to my blog post. in this corner. I'm gonna pick the image of the video, not this one, this one. Alright, I'm gonna make it smaller, like this, to fit in the page, and under I'm gonna put embed my video. Let's scroll down until we found the video, find the video, YouTube, under, alright, let's see now how we put the link of our video on this one. YouTube, video URL, go to my video, copy it, copy, go here, paste, position spacing, I don't need nothing. Alright, so we have also the video, post it, your post has been added to your blog, close, and now we have one video posted. We're gonna publish the website, close this one, and let's see how it looks. Our first website built today. Main page, I didn't edit the too many on the first page, but you're gonna understand if you learn how to do it. Until now you're gonna know how to change everything here. What you want, you delete, you remove, or you add everything else. We go to the blog page on daily update. You scroll down and we have our first post, how to download movies and games internet. Visitor is gonna go here and he's gonna see all this text, this image, and our video. Alright, how do you like it? You think it's hard? And they gonna have a contact form to send you comments or questions if they have about your blog. On your post, everyday posts on your blog, you're gonna have comments, like, tweet. They're gonna fill this form and leave you details, questions about your posting, everything you need. Let's close this, and it's gonna take you to the control of your website. When you log in, next time you're gonna see this. You're gonna press here, edit your website, and you're gonna go and publish another page for your blog, or add new photos on your main homepage, or change the email for the contact form. Alright, so we learned how to build first website with 3 pages, homepage, daily update, a blog, and contact form. A very easy website that you can find all over the internet those days. It's a standard website. You've seen many like this everywhere, and it's very easy to do it. Now you can do it your own. If you have questions, write me down in the comments and I'm gonna help you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.